Skylar got beautiful new track, huh?
Yeah.
What happened to your truck? I mean, all the train.
Because that James is coming, that graveyard is crashed to the real James left his fuel tanks. He's usually and these fuel tanks cause is quite pull back a real James and these trucks. These trucks have tried the one John.
Okay, so you got two James, huh?
Yeah.
So you got black James that
Mommy has the color with it.
mommy colored it, and they got the real James and the not James. It was Skylar said black James and the real James.
Is the new James.
That's a new James. So they crash it together, and then make a disaster right there. So crash it all over the milk and everything, huh?
And Gordon arrived.
Gordon arrive.
And he will arrive.
And he will ride too? Okay, two big engines arrive. And then what happened? Okay, you put the tenders up. And then what else is the story about? Okay, these two anonymous, they are anonymous coaches. Okay, all right. So what happened? Oh, it crashed it again?
Yeah, it's not a crash. These are the crashes these coaches broken.
Oh no, that's a big crash, Skylar.
He was on some top ahead. That's James. He can send away. He just asked this one much them go, and he's gonna send him to scrap.
Oh no, scrapping James now? Oh no, Top Gun Head gonna scrap James.
No, not this. He's not James anymore. He's a robot junk. He's a robot junk car.
Like a robot Jung's car, okay?
And he's got broken.
All right. Keep going with the story.
And this and the top I have this is as the real black James. He said he's the useful engine.
Okay, so they say Black James is a useful engine. Top of hand say he's a useful engine. That's good. Okay, so
he said that James is sent to scrap.
oh no, the real James gonna go be a scrap yard, huh?
Who's coming?
Who is? Can you tell me who is coming? Okay. Oh, almost crashed. It did crash. Who's that? Rusty showed up.
This is the scrap engine I never seen.
Okay. Who's that again? Oliver showed up. He's busy getting more drink. He gotta go get some more character. Okay, this is the whole circle around. Alright, two machetes go around the bridge and come around with the bridge and then come around over there, little things, and then here. You can change it around with this thing. See it? Everything, all name Paris, Ottawa, and Berlin, and all that other stuff.
Coming?
Station. Speed train! You got a Speedy's coming. Where is Speedy coming from?
And the one concrete.
Okay.
And the real train.
Alright, he's a real train.
Who's coming?
Who's coming too? I don't know. You tell me. Airplane. Can airplane fit through the bridge? Nah, I don't think so.
Who's coming?
Who's right behind it? Lightning McQueen. Oh, we got everything.
Who's coming?
Don't know. You tell me. Oh, firemen.
And just check it on him.
Okay. So the whole story of Skylar tell you the whole story. Oh, you crashed. Oh, Gordon. Oh, Hero. Oh, Rusty. Oliver. We got a pile with everybody. Now we got anonymous bullet train. Oh, everybody no good. Airplane they gotta fly over. They fly over. Oh, airplane got crashed. Oh, actually don't, because you know how to fly. It fly, right? So it fly over the crash. You keep going. Oh, everywhere you go is flew. Oh, now it's crashed too. Lightning McQueen is showing up. Woo, Lightning McQueen's fast. Lightning McQueen. Boosh. Lightning McQueen crashed too. Oh no. Lightning McQueen just crashed. Fireman. Fireman. What fireman doing? You couldn't pass by the bridge? Or you climbing on top the bridge? Okay, he's all right on it. He's there. Oh, he's shaking the bridge down. Uh-oh. It's your birthday, right? Uh-oh. It's your birthday. Yeah, he walking over. And he's trying to save somebody. And what happened now? Who is alive? No one alive. He crashed. Oh, everybody crashed. Okay, everybody got crashed. Oh, now, what's Skylar doing? Put the bowling string back together. Rusty too. Oh, and then Kaboosh. Kaboosh back too. And then who else in there? Hero Tender. You taking Hero Tender? Rusty, what are you doing? Taking a Hero Tender, and Hero's back too.
He the one kissing him.
Okay. They're kissing together. Is it kissing him now? Okay, got the mute tenders back. I mean, mute trucks back too. Everything's all back together. All right. Got a Kaboosh in the back. And then we got a laundry, another Kaboosh. Okay. Everything's all setting up. Good.
I'm putting these back to the normal.
Okay, back to the normal.
This is so long.
Okay, so long. Go around the whole thing. Wow. You are good to what you did.
Oliver had to put this train.
Oh, Oliver got to push the train? Okay, whatever you say, whatever you like. Wherever going, anywhere you think is good.
And the top hat said, Rusty, you're not in heap of trouble. You're in the rescue engine. You're always crashing, and you never go to scrap.
Okay, Rusty saved. Never get scrap.
You are not scrap either too.
Oh, a bullet train not getting scrap either too. Okay, no one.
You're not. You said you scrap.
Okay. Hero sent it to scrap or no?
No.
No, everybody's safe.
You have to put him in the Rusty old fighting.
Okay, Rusty old fighting. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Oh, bullet train just crashed Hero. Hero got hurt. Hero gonna get scrapped, man.
And he has the bullet train again.
Bullet train.
You get out somebody.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Wee-woo. Sir, you're under the rest.
Oh. Bullet train is under arrest.
No. It's and Tom has sent to in jail with the police. Back to the store. Oliver had to pull that.
Okay, Oliver gonna pull the whole line by himself. Gonna push it. Oh, derail! Okay, you derail one, push. Oh, the whole thing crashed. Oh no! What? Oliver fly now? You flying through the bridge? You're flying through the bridge and down to the ramp to the bridge. Oh no! He got to. What are you doing? Crash? Almost. Uh-oh, Thomas coming. Oh, Thomas just kissed Oliver in the back. Ew.
He kissed him in the butt.
I say the back, you say the butt. Ew. Ew. That's not cool, man. Okay. We're flying through the bridge again. Oh, he's coming around the side corner. Going down the ramp. He could, now it's Superman Thomas now. He could fly everywhere. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, where are they going? Where are they going?
To the shed.
Oh, to the shed? Oh, they're going to go sleep now. Okay, they're gonna go tip the shed and sleeping.
And me too.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, I guess they're all gonna go sleep now. You gonna wrap it up, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Keep watching our video.
Video.
Subscribe and share.
Bye.
And share too.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.